So right here I have a small piece of airline aviation history. Something that I never ever thought that I would own, and I wish in many ways I didn't own. I wish it was still intact. I wish she was still in one piece and everybody could enjoy her sitting in the countryside. But unfortunately she's gone now. And I rescued a piece of her. Aerotiques was selling parts of G-BYGC, BYGC, the former British Airways 747 that was painted into BOAC colours for BA's centenary celebrations. Yeah, so let's have a good look. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Piece of history. Sorry for my camera. It's not as clear as as I would hope. Here. Oh my goodness me, look at this. I feel very sad that this is actually happening right now, because it's something that I didn't ever think I would own, as I say. But maybe one day everyone that owns a piece will get together and will rebuild her. Oh my goodness, I'm actually touching her. Look. Oh my goodness. There she is. Let's take this part off. It's actually has a little rubber band thing just holding her. Look at that, it's quite beautifully done actually. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad I have a piece of you. You'll be well looked after.
Good day, Kiliman 009, 7.5 miles. Kiliman 009, continue approach. Right and left of Alpha, contact ground 121.1855. Right and left of Alpha, 121.855. 18 Alpha, cheers. I will need a 3 locate 27 left, thank you. Thanks very much. 27 on cross left with land 27 left, 2705. Get up, 27 on cross.